Welcome to the Ark, the new phase of Faith Tabernacle. The Ark is a 100,000-seat stadium-like sanctuary ordained by God to be a city of refuge for the preservation of generations. Since groundbreaking on March 25, 2021, God has continued to build as we watch in appreciation and awe. Work has not stopped since commencement. Why this gigantic project? It is because God commanded it, and His hand is heavily upon it. Psalm chapter 78, verse 69. A sanctuary like high palaces, like the earth which He hath established forever. There are 4 seating levels in the Ark. Level 1 has 18,651 seats, while level 2 has 26,230 seats. Level 3 has 37,902 seats, and level 4 has 26,292 seats. The sanctuary, with its over 100,000 seats, is fully air-conditioned to ensure the thermal comfort of all worshippers. Stand has capacity for 3,000 seats, expandable to 5,000. But in the last days, it shall come to pass that the mountain of the house of the Lord shall be established in the top of the mountains, and it shall be exalted above the hills, and the people shall flow unto it. Facility has provision for children's church with capacity for over 20,000 children and an integrated youth center. Accessibility for all, including the elderly and differently abled persons, is made possible through a network of ramps, stairs, 29 elevators and 126 escalators. Mission Towers, a twin tower with 12 floors each, which is the international office accommodating over 1,000 personnel, is already at the 9th suspended floor. The Ark is designed to be eco-friendly through a number of sustainable strategies, including 1 megawatt of power captured from the photovoltaic panels on its curtain wall,